Welcome to the competence FBOVS301. Prepare vegetable and starch dishes. We will focus on learning outcome 1. Prepare vegetables, where we'll explore the art of vegetable preparation. Let's outline the key topics we'll cover. Here are the topics. 1. Selection preparation tools for vegetables. 2. Selection of vegetables. 3. Perform preliminary preparations for vegetables. 4. Cutting vegetables. Now, let's dive into each topic. Selection preparation tools for vegetables. Selecting vegetable preparation tools is essential for efficient and precise kitchen operations. Collection tools like knives, peelers, and cutting boards are fundamental for gathering and prepping vegetables. Identifying conditions for vegetable preparation tools involves assessing durability, sharpness, and ergonomics to ensure optimal performance during repetitive use. Selection factors include the type of vegetables, desired cuts, and processing volume. Factors like ease of cleaning, storage space, and budget constraints should also be considered. By carefully evaluating these aspects, chefs and cooks can choose the right tools to streamline vegetable preparation, enhance efficiency, and unleash culinary creativity in the kitchen. Selection of vegetables. Selecting vegetables involves considering their classification and key selection factors to ensure optimal quality and flavor in culinary preparations. Vegetables are categorized into various types, including leafy vegetables like spinach and lettuce, fruit vegetables such as tomatoes and cucumbers, roots like carrots and potatoes, bulbs like onions and garlic, pods including peas and beans, seeds like corn and peppers, stems such as asparagus and celery, and flowers like broccoli and cauliflower. Lifespan is a critical consideration, as some vegetables have longer shelf lives than others, necessitating careful storage and timely consumption. By considering these factors, chefs and cooks can make informed decisions, selecting vegetables that enhance their culinary creations' taste, texture, and visual appeal. Perform preliminary preparations for vegetables. Performing preliminary preparations for vegetables is crucial to ensure they are clean, fresh, and ready for culinary use. This process removes dirt, bacteria, and any unwanted parts, enhancing the final dish's safety and quality. Tasks like washing remove surface contaminants, while peeling and trimming remove outer layers or undesirable portions. Stuffing involves creating cavities in vegetables for filling with other ingredients, while rubbing and coating may involve seasoning or marinating to enhance flavor. Preparation techniques such as drying ensure vegetables are free from excess moisture before cooking, while grinding or crushing can be used to create pastes or powders for seasoning or sauces. Ripening techniques may accelerate or control the ripening process, ensuring optimal flavor and texture. Cutting vegetables. Cutting vegetables is essential for uniform cooking and presentation, ensuring consistent textures and flavors in dishes. Various techniques such as dicing, slicing, and julienning offer versatility for different recipes. Vegetable cutting guidelines emphasize using sharp knives, proper cutting techniques, and selecting appropriate sizes and shapes. Adhering to these guidelines enhances efficiency and safety in the kitchen, while showcasing the natural beauty of vegetables in culinary creations. In summary, we've covered the selection and preparation of vegetables, including choosing the right tools, selecting quality produce, performing preliminary preparations, and employing proper cutting techniques. Now, let's assess your understanding with a few questions. What are some selection factors to consider when choosing vegetable preparation tools? Name 3 categories of vegetables and provide an example for each. Why is preliminary preparation important for vegetables before cooking? Consider these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. Enjoy mastering the art of vegetable preparation.